Hey guys, Beardicus here, the One Take Wonder. In this video, I'm going to be looking at unboxing the Nvidia Shield TV. Now, this is the new 2019 model, not the Pro version. It's the cylindrical version. So let's get into it. I can see here, actually, I won't need... Oh, nice. So there's little pull tabs on the sticky tape, which is nice. I was thinking I was going to have to cut it, but I didn't have to. Here we go. Nice. So there's the box. Let's pull this out. So that's the main event. Let's have a look and see what we've got in here. So we've got a power cable. That's the 2-pin. Looks like that. And then we've got a little quick start guide, just how to hook up the Shield and how to use the remote and so forth, and then also a support guide in several different languages. So that's those. Let me throw them to the side for a second. Let's have a look at these two here. So, all right, so they're encased in a little bit of foam there, so that'll stop any problems in shipping, I'm guessing. Now there's the remote. It's got a dedicated Netflix button, which is awesome. And it doesn't feel too bad in the hand. It's got a little bit of weight to it, which is nice. The jog pad, or the D-pad, or whatever you want to call it, feels really nice as well. There's a little indent on, or an external mark, I should say, on the play button and the microphone button. So easy to find if you're just fumbling around and you're just trying to feel, okay, that's play, that's the, what do you call it? The assistant. Yeah. So, and they stand up like that too, which is nice. So when it comes to the actual Shield itself, so that's a roller. Excuse me. So you've got HDMI and micro SD in there, and it looks like a sync button as well. And then you've got the Ethernet jack and the power jack. So that's, yeah, that's pretty much it. It's actually, it looks like it does tend to roll. All right, so it will sit like that. So that's okay. I can sort of live with that. Because to be honest, I mean, you're going to need the HDMI, so you can't sort of stick it up like that because you also need the power. So, yeah, I'm not too sure on the design, but in saying that, I'm going to be reviewing it on the main TechWizTime channel, so you can check that out over there. Make sure you subscribe to this channel here because I will always be doing unboxings, and especially one-take ones, where I just, yeah, I give you my honest opinion. And yeah, don't cut anything out. So if something stuffs up, then you're going to see it first. Yeah. Anyway, subscribe here, subscribe at TechWizTime, share and like this video. And also, yeah, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.